Namaskar. My name is Gaurish Borkar, and you might have been enjoying the series on Bruhat Jataka. Today's is the 19th stanza of the first chapter of Bruhat Jataka. Let's go through it and see the meaning. So here is the stanza. This is how we pronounce it. Hora Swami Gurudnyavi Kshitayuta Nanyaischcha Viryotkata Kendrastha Dvipadadayonni Nishicha Prapte cha Sandhyadvaye Purvardhe Vishadadayah Krutaguna Manam Praticham Chatat Pratipam Chatat Dushchikyam Sahajam Tapascha Navamam Triadyam Trikonam Chatat. So this is how we pronounce this particular stanza. Now let's look at the meaning of the stanza. So the meaning is the Lagna becomes stronger when it is aspected by or occupied by its lord Jupiter or Mercury, devoid of influence of other planets. Biped signs are strongest when they occupy the Kendras and at daytime. Quadruped signs are stronger during the night. Insect signs are stronger during twilights. The signs in the first half have the measurements of 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40 respectively. The other 6 signs have the measurements in decreasing order respectively. The third house is called Dushchikya and the ninth house is called Tappa and Tritrikonam. Okay, let's look at the padas and then we go to the actual meaning of the stanza. So the padas are Hora means ascendant, we know that by now. Swami is Lord, Guru is Jupiter, Jna is Mercury, Vishishta, Vikshita means aspected, Yuta means conjunct, Na means not, Anyay means others, Cha again and, Viryotkata means very strong. This is the first part. Kendrastha placed in Kendra, Dvipada human, Ubhayo, Udayo means rising, Anhi means day, Nishi means night, Cha means and, Prapte means achieved, Cha again and, Sandhyadvaye means twilights. Purvardhe first half or Aries to Virgo. Vishayadaya means 5 onwards, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Kruta Guna. Kruta means Kruta Yuga. There are 4 yugas. So Kruta means 4. Manam is the measurement. Pratipam means in the reverse order. Cha means and. Tad means that. Dushchikya, that's the term Dushchikya. Sahaja means the third house. Tapaha means the tapas. Navamam, ninth house. Triadayam, Trikonam, 3 and Trikonam. So Trikonam, Cha and Tad means that. So this is actually a little large stanza and it has many topics covered. So we will look at these topics one by one. The Drishti Bala, we can consider that as the first part of the stanza, speaks about the Drishti Bala. What does it say? It says when the ascendant is occupied by or aspected by its lord Jupiter or Mercury and Mercury, the ascendant gets lot of strength. There are 2 planets, 2 benefics which are not included in this, and those are the moon and the Venus. So if they are the lords of the ascendant, then and then only they can add strength to the ascendant. Otherwise, they are not included as a part of the planets that can add or that would add strength to the ascendant. Let's look at the other part. When the sign is in Kendra, it gains highest strength. When it is in Panafara, it gets medium strength. And when it is in Apoklima, it gets very less strength or the least strength. So this is how, if the signs are in Kendra, they have highest strength. Similarly, the Dvipada Rashis or the human signs get strength if the native is born during the day. The Chatushpada Rashis gain strength if the native is born during the night. And other Rashis, Kita Rashis and Jala Rashis, they are strongest during twilights. This is actually about all these three slides that we discussed are about the strength of the sign. Then let's look at the other part or the last part of this particular stanza. It says the third house is called Dushchikya and the ninth house has two terms, Tapaha, Tapas and Tritrikonam. So the three trikonas, so the third trikona, or it has so much of importance that it is considered as the three times of the trikonam. That is how we look at the ninth house and the third house. The second and third line in this particular stanza refers to the duration of the ascendant or the calculation of the ascendant, and that is where it mentioned about 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. However, it's a mathematical part, and rather than explaining it here, I have given an example. I have explained it at length on my blog. You will find the description, the link of that particular blog in the description. And if you are interested in the traditional way of calculation of the ascendant, you may go through the blog. Nowadays, either we use Panchangam or ephemeris, or we directly use the software to calculate ascendant. However, if you are interested in how traditionally they used to calculate ascendants, then the calculation of Charakhandas and Rashimanas is given on my blog, and that link is given in the description. Feel free to go through the details of Charakhandas and Rashimanas. So this is about this particular stanza. In the next video, we will study the last stanza of the Rashi Prabheda Adhyaya. Till then, Namaskar.